Race Tech, MotorWorldRacing.com, White Brothers, Series Tracker, Husqvarna.
Here with Spud Walters out there, finished second this moto. Spud, again, you're staying in the top three every moto, every time out there. Tell me a little about your race that last moto.
Yeah, I'm just trying to be consistent. You know, I got a really bad start, and you know, I saw Paul out there. He just checked out, and there was no reeling him in. This track is just so fast, and everybody's going really, really good. So it's hard to make up time, and you know, I just rode my race and just tried to ride as hard as I can, and got a little bit winded. I actually injured my ankle a few weeks ago and haven't been able to train or ride or anything. So, you know, I'm hoping I can come this week, go out training this week and work my butt off, and hopefully I'll be more of a contender for next week at Gorman.
Yeah, Gorman, California, down there in Hungry Valley. I know that you'll be looking good going down there. I can't recall last year how you finished down there, but you must have did pretty well.
Yeah, actually, I won both motos last year. The last couple of years, I've won both motos. So, you know, I really like that track, and I feel good there. So, you know, I'm just going to go back and, like I said, work my butt off, and hopefully I'll be up front.
Talk to me a little bit more about the moto. You saw Brad Hagseth out there on the Yamaha number 88 out there in front. What did you think about that?
Oh, Brad was riding really good. You know, I was having a hard time reeling him in, and I slowly but surely reeled him in, and then he actually made a little bobble, and I kind of bumped him in the back section, and he went down. So, you know, I really like Brad. He's a good guy. You know, racing's racing. Unfortunately, you know, that's part of it. You know, I definitely didn't mean to take him out, but you know, I was happy to get by him. I knew I had to, so you know, I'm pretty happy.
Right on, Spud. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you at the next round of the AMA 4-Stroke Nationals.
Great, thanks a lot. Thank you, Don, for putting this great race on. The track was awesome. You know, I really want to thank the Huffmans, John Mitchell from DNG, John Anderson, my mechanic, Ted, White Brothers, American Honda, HJC, Axel Smith.
Right on. Thanks, Spud, and we'll sign off with that. We'll see you next round.
Great, thanks, Don.